Hi, good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of GST on the basis of sales for nil rated. Nil rated in the sense tax free. There is no tax. It's nothing but exempt from the tax. Okay. So first we have already created one company with the name of KH company. Here activation steps and all I already explained in the last videos. So first I am going to create the ledgers. So gateway of tally, accounts info, ledger, create. You can make it as nil rated sales. Nil rated sales under sales account. Nil rated sales under sales accounts. Applicable yes. Here you can go for sales nil rated. Sales nil rated goods. Okay. Next you can make it as nil rated debtors. Nil rated debtors under sundry debtors. Here which is local, so you can give for Karnataka only. Set or alter GST detail yes. Regular 29 5K 4 5 1 2 3 4 A1Z5. Okay. Now if you want to give the tax, for example output CGST, if you want to give tax also it won't accept. Just for knowledge purpose I am explaining. Output CGST at 9% under duties and taxes, GST central 9%, normal rounding 1. Another one output SGST under duties and taxes, GST stage 9%, normal rounding 1. Okay. Now if you want to create the stock item, inventory info, stock item, create. See, nil rated in the sense you can take any grocery items which is comes under nil rated. Grocery, sheet quantity of items, grocery is already there, you just select from the list. Kgs, applicable yes, on value nil rated. You have to select the items are nil rated. Same type you can go for refined oil. So it is comes under grocery, kgs, applicable yes, on value nil rated, enter. Now if you want to go for sales voucher, accounting voucher F8 sales, so it comes under nil rated debtors. Here you can take for nil rated sales. Here it comes under sales nil rated. Here you can go for tur dal, refined oil. If you want to give for tax, you can go for output CGST 9% and output SGST 9%. Okay. See the display. Statutory reports, GST R1. So you can go for nil rated invoice which is tax free. Okay. So this is the way what we have to create the items which is nil rated. Okay. For alteration and deletion, the same procedure what I explained in the last videos. Please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.